Hello everybody! For this course of Exploring Southeast Asia, I'm going to present you my press review about natural resources with a focus on palm oil in Malaysia. First part is about natural resources in Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia is a sub-region of Asia. It is constituted by countries localized in the south of China, east of India and north of Australia. The climate is warm and humid and can be considered as a monsoonal climate. On the Earth, there are two types of resources. First one is renewable resources, which can be constantly available as plants, animals or water. Second one are non-renewable resources. These resources cannot be replaced naturally. These resources are minerals, fossil fuels, soils. Thanks to its climate, Southeast Asia is one of the richest biodiversity in the world. There are many forests, seas, soils, and minerals. It is a reserve of natural resources such as minerals, stones, tin, rice, fish, energy, gas and oil. But nowadays, because of the increase of international trade, there are negative impacts on the environment. Deforestation, loss of non-renewable resources and wildlife. There are also negative impacts on the local population, which are exploited, they receive bad treatment and low wages. This second part is my press review about palm oil in Malaysia. The rising demand for edible oil and biofuel explains the expansion of palm oil production in Southeast Asia. In Malaysia, the production started in 1917, but this production highly increased in 1960 before the government applied an agricultural program to the country. Today, we are more than 4.5 million hectares cultivated, which produce 20 million tons of palm oil a year. There are more like 500,000 Malaysians working in this field. All this production represents 39% of world production and 44% of world exports of palm oil. In Malaysia, there is a governmental agency named Malaysian Palm Oil Council, which is in charge of developing and promoting the palm oil in the world. First part is the analysis of facts about the oil palm market in Malaysia and its impact on the social and political environment. Today, palm oil is one of the most consumed vegetable oil in the world. It represents 38% of the world's vegetal oil. It is generally used for food and snack manufacturers, personal care and cosmetics, biofuel or energy. But this economy today is really controverted by Europe and United States because of the health damage of environmental issues they can cause. Many French lobby impose tax on palm oil. With this tax, the price rises and the demand drops. And this tax can have direct consequences on the Malaysian economy. Palm oil plantation are a new source of work for immigrants from Bangladesh and Myanmar. They complain about working conditions and bad treatments in the field. Moreover, Greenpeace reports child laboring on palm oil plantations. Palm oil plantations also have really negative environmental impact, such as soil erosion, deforestation, water pollution, loss of wildlife, and climate change. But palm oil is the first source of revenue, and this is a vital economy for Malaysia. MPOC try to defend this industry, like we are trying to regulate the working condition and the immigration in the country, and they launched in 2005 a campaign named Zero Deforestation Pledges to fight against deforestation in Malaysia. fourth part is my conclusion about this subject. Today, palm oil is one of the most controversial industries in the world. We know that palm oil production is an important contributor to Malaysian economy, and all these debates put the country under pressure. If Malaysia don't want to stay in this uncertain future, the country has an important role to play to promote and develop this industry in a sustainable way. In this last part, I will ask few questions for discussion about palm oil in Malaysia. First question: which plans or action could the Malaysian government bring to establish a more sustainable way of producing palm oil? Second question: knowing that palm oil can be dangerous for your health, what do you think of promoting this product as NPOC does? Last question: can we have high hopes of using palm oil as a biofuel one day?